This round head coil framing nailer is used for construction work such as wall sheathing, roof decking, subflooring, mobile and modular home construction, making of wooden boxes, pallets, and drums, packing operations in manufacturing plants. And for other types of general packing and crating work, this is like the original that you have come to trust. But now with an improved trigger design and sharing all the same internal parts as the original. This relies on the same cylinder valve drive system as the which offers both rapid response and great driving power. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Lightweight. Only 8.8 pounds is lightweight and well balanced for easy maneuverability. Number 2. Power and speed. Cylinder valve drive mechanism provides quick response and rapid, powerful driving. Number 3. Award. Rated the Pro Preferred Nailer for 7 years running by Builder and Developer magazine. Number 4. Applications. For wall sheathing, roof decking, subflooring, packing and crating work, and more. Number 5. Selective actuation. Selectable trigger mode. Choose contact or single sequential actuation mode via switch in the trigger. Number 6. Fasteners. Accept 16 degrees wire coil nails from 2 inches to 3.025 inches. Number 7. Hardened claw tip. Resists wear on the nose and minimizes slippage when driving at an angle or toe nailing. Number 8. Quick reload Sideload pop-out magazine for fast and easy reloads. Number 9. Rafter hook. Can be positioned on the left or right side depending on user preference. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.